Yo, what's up guys? Today, I'm gonna show you how to add a custom classic face in Roblox Studio, even after the dynamic head update. And trust me, it's easier than it looks. Alright, first things first, let's make our face. Open up Photoshop, GIMP, or whatever editor you like. Create a square canvas, 512 by 512. Now just draw your custom face. Go crazy with it. When you're done, export it as a PNG. Now jump into Roblox Studio. Quick tip, make sure you save your project first, or Asset Manager won't work. Then go to Home, Asset Manager, Bulk Import. Select your face texture and import it. Boom, now it's inside your project. Next, go to the Avatar tab and drop in a rig character. And yeah, all rigs now use dynamic heads by default. But don't worry, we're about to work around that. Open Toolbox and search for Faceless Head. Pick any one you like. But important, delete everything except the mesh part. That's the only thing we need. Now let's build the setup. Insert an accessory into Workspace. Then add a mesh part inside it. This is going to be our handle. Set transparency to 1. Turn off collision. Rename it to handle. Next, add an attachment and rename it to face front attachment. Drag your faceless head into the handle. Now add a weld constraint. Part 0, faceless head. Part 1, handle. Now we line it up. Copy your rig head's position, paste it into the handle. Then drag the accessory onto your rig. After that, manually adjust the head so it perfectly matches the dynamic head. Take your time here. This part matters. Now scale the faceless head up a bit so it fully covers the original head. Pull it up slightly. Then drag your custom face texture onto it. Once that's done, move it back down into position and tweak the color so it matches the body. Alright, moment of truth. Hit play. And there you go. Your custom classic face is now working on your character. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more Roblox Studio tricks and tutorials.